Aloha Aina. I'm Ehukekahu Cardwell with the Kiwane Foundation on the Free Hawaii Broadcasting Network. How would you feel if one morning you woke up and you discovered that the government of the country of France was allowed to dictate to you where you had to send your children to school in Hawaii? Would you be happy or upset about that? Well, that's exactly what's going on right now, because the court of a foreign power is able to make basic life decisions for you right now. That's right. Currently, Kamehameha Schools is interviewing people for their trustee positions. And one of the things they're struggling with and trying to figure out is how to keep the school, Kamehameha Schools, for Native Hawaiians, but at the same time satisfy the U.S. Supreme Court and the Constitution of the U.S., that foreign power. So what's the answer? Well, how about this? How about if Kamehameha Schools opens their doors to descendants of Hawaiian nationals, the Hawaiian Kingdom? See, that's a constitutionally protected people of all races through a birthright, Hawaiian nationals. That would pass muster not only with the U.S. Supreme Court rulings, that court of the foreign power, but would be ethical because their ancestors were part of the Hawaiian Kingdom. But you see, the truth is, in a free Hawaii, this would not even be an issue. In a free Hawaii, there would be no foreign courts to tell you what you had to do. So, where would you rather live? Under a foreign power or in a free Hawaii, where decisions that affect you and your family would be made only by you? I'm Ehukekahu Cardwell with the Kiwane Foundation on the Free Hawaii Broadcasting Network.